right, we are going to clean our face with a little bit of my Clinique. I already washed my face in the bathroom. This is good to detoxify, get all the nasty stuff the thing didn't get. Cool. I love this stuff. This is excellent. If you guys never tried the Clinique clarifying lotion, like I said, look, mine's already like low. Alright, basically clean your face, get out to the nitty gritty. Alright, close that thing. Alright, sorry, just wash my hair. Alright, next thing, lips, chapstick. I already exfoliated, so they done. Alright, next thing I'm going to do, get my exuviance. This is the collagen triple booster serum. Just that one right there. And let's let it focus this for y'all. Boom. Alright, do a couple squirts. Boom, boom. Why is the serum important? Because it penetrates the skin. Definitely need that moisture inside. Even if I'm oily skin, you definitely need that regardless. I got everything. Alright, and the next thing I'm going to do is moisturize with my Clinique ID. This is dramatically different oil jelly plus the blue. I love that stuff. Alright, let me just take this off because it's about to fall. Alright, so let's look at it. Right, you know my hair is purple. Just washed it nice and clean. And then like clean hair. I tell you that like clean hair. Alright, grab my Clinique. Grab a pump. And believe me, a pump is all you need. Put it all over the face. Moisturize your skin. Alright. Don't forget the neck area. Now I'm gonna also put, this is the little mini, this is a moisture search for the eyes from Clinique. I love these little stuff. Focus is for you guys. Sorry, I don't think I'm gonna focus on this. Sorry, it's not gonna focus, but it comes in a little jar, not jar, a tube. Sorry, a tube. All right, and I love this one. Actually helps with underneath the circles, which is really nice. And believe me, your girl needs it. It's been a long day today. Like that. Okay, with this one, I love with the Clinique, I go all the way around the eye. And not only does it hydrate, it pumps up my eye, which is really nice. And obviously, I'm not using this finger, I'm using this one, but you know, we're just gonna go. We do this like so. There, nice and clean. Love it. And obviously after I do my face, all of it. I know we usually use a myopodesco spray, but I'm gonna use this one if I could grab it. This is the aloe and rosewater balance mist from Little Barn. I love this stuff too. Excellent. Sorry if it doesn't focus. I'm just gonna spray just a little bit. Just love how it makes the skin feel. Just nice and refreshing. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And obviously I'm going to do my leave-in conditioner on my hair. And I'm going to untangle. But I just want to show you guys a little bit of my little nighttime routine and what I do. This is a quick little mini. Usually I like to do a facial too. But your girl is exhausted for today. So you guys have a good night.